If you've ever tried to create a product ad or a short animation with AI, you already know the struggle. You generate frame after frame, the characters never look the same, and the tools burn through your free credits while giving you results that are, honestly, unusable. But there's a completely free workflow that changes everything. You take one storyboard image, just one, and turn it into a full animated video. Consistent visuals, no paid software, and it works for product ads, Pixar-style shorts, explainer clips, you name it. In this full guide, I'm going to walk you through the entire process, step by step. And to prove it's real, here's a short ad I made with this exact method. Alright, now let me show you how to build your own. The first thing you need is a chatbot that can handle long, structured prompts. You've got options. ChatGPT works great, Claude is super reliable, and if you want something that's completely free with zero paywalls, go with DeepSeek. I'll use ChatGPT for this walkthrough, but you can follow along with any of them. The process is exactly the same. Next, you need the master prompt document. I've put it in the description. Just click the link, open the Google Drive folder, and download the chatbot PDF. That PDF is the engine. It'll automate the prompting for us. Once you've got it, open your chatbot. Drag the PDF right into the chat box. Type "run this" and send it. The model reads the instructions, thinks for a moment, and then asks you the first big question. Do you want to make an ad storyboard or a non-ad animation? This is where the tutorial splits into two paths, and I'm going to show you both. First, let's try the ad route. I'll type 1 and hit send. Immediately, the chatbot gives me 10 product ad concepts. Maybe a white phone on a dark background, a luxury watch with slow motion, a futuristic gadget reveal. Choose whatever you like. I'll pick option 1. It's clean, high contrast, and perfect for a storyboard style. So I copy the idea number, paste it back, and send it. Now the chatbot writes a detailed image generation prompt. I copy that prompt. To create the actual storyboard image, we're going to use a free tool, Google Gemini. It's linked to your Google account, no credit card required. I'll head to Gemini, click the plus icon, and switch to Create Image. I paste the prompt, send it, and within seconds, Gemini gives me a polished storyboard frame. If Gemini's output doesn't feel right, you can also use Google Flow or ChatGPT itself. Just ask it to generate the image based on the prompt it just wrote. As you can see, here's what ChatGPT gave me. It looks very good. And I'm even compelled to say it generated a better storyboard image than Gemini. However, it's up to you to download the image you think is best. I go back to the chatbot and type next. This tells it to give me the animation prompt, the magic words that will bring the still image to life. Now for the video generation, we'll use another free Google tool, Google Flow. You can also use Google Gemini or Higgsfield for this. I open Flow, create a new project, and switch from the image model to the video model. That's OmniFlash or any of the available models present. Then make sure to select Ingredients to Video. After that, set the duration to around 6 to 10 seconds and aspect ratio to 16:9. Then upload the storyboard image, paste the animation prompt, and hit send. Flow starts generating. After a few moments, the video is ready. Let's preview what it made. Look at that! The phone stays sharp, the camera moves smoothly, and the whole thing feels like a real commercial storyboard brought to life. No weird distortions, and it came from one image. Now, if you happen to get some weird distortions, simply generate again or try another video model or video generation platforms. But what if you don't want ads? What if you want a cute animated short, like a Pixar-style clip? Let's go back and try the non-ad option. I open a new chat, upload the same chatbot PDF, type "run this" again. This time when it asks, I choose 2 for non-ad videos. The chatbot suggests a few concepts: a magical forest creature, a clumsy robot, a tiny monster chasing grapes. I'll go with option 3 this time around. Why not? I send the number and it gives me the image prompt. Since ChatGPT produced a good storyboard image than Gemini, I'll just ask it to proceed with the image generation again. As you can see for the image, it did a wonderful job. Download it and then type next to get the animation prompt. Now head back to Flow, upload the storyboard image, paste the animation prompt, and generate. And here's what we get. Honestly, that's adorable! The character stays consistent, the motion is smooth, and the whole scene has a storybook feel, all from one still image. So you've seen both paths, ads and non-ads. The workflow is identical. Chatbot for prompts, Gemini or ChatGPT for the storyboard image, Flow for the video. If Gemini's video generator is available in your region, you can upload the storyboard there instead of Flow. Now, if you want a multi-scene ad, generate 3 storyboard images, animate each one separately, and stitch them together in CapCut. It's that simple. And that's the full guide. You now know how to turn a single storyboard image into a product ad or a Pixar-style animation using 100% free tools. If this video saved you time or helped you avoid wasting credits, drop a like. Subscribe if you want more AI workflows that actually work without a paywall. Now go make something awesome. I'll see you in the next one. Here are all the other videos created with this method.
Welcome to the show! Today, we're demystifying AI. It's actually quite simple. Look at these streams. A neural network forms. Nodes connect rapidly now. This mimics our brain.